Okay, so in this video today, we're gonna compare two very common methods for scanning items in and out or auditing your inventory. On this side, we have Mathilde using the Checkroom app for scanning barcodes, QR codes. And on this side, we have Ryan using the RFID scanner. Let's see how they compare. Are you ready, Mathilde?
I'm ready.
You ready, Ryan?
Of course.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, Ryan's already done. Mathilde, come on. You're already done?
I'm already done.
Okay.
Yeah. Rather.
Okay, just a few more. I'll let you scan a few more.
Do you need some help?
Let's go, you can do it. I'll let her scan. Oh, she's already scanned 3 items, huh?
Fair enough.
A little bit more. Okay, I guess we see the point already, Mathilde is all right. It's all right. So we see here that definitely RFID is faster. Now, does that mean that one is better than the other? Not necessarily. If you have checkouts and audits with just a few equipment, then barcode is very precise and it's very easy to do. But if you have checkouts or check-ins or big audits that you have to do with hundreds of thousands of equipment, then RFID is going to make your life a lot easier. And for those specific items that you need precision, you can still use the barcode scanning. So that was it. RFID is the winner for a lot of items.
Good job, man.